In this tranquil ASMR lo-fi episode, soft rain patters mix with a sunlit morning hum as the day begins. A slow breathing cue accompanies kettle whistling, pencil sketching, and morning oats as the playlist drifts into velvet tones. The scene shifts to a cozy night rain, where thunder whispers fade behind amber lamp light and rain taps on window. A quiet journal session at a quaint café unfolds, ink gliding, distant chatter softened, the mind gently settling. Final reflections invite listeners to exhale tension, savor the hush between notes, and carry calm into tomorrow.